Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome back. It's dark, bro. wait. Is the thing under? Okay. I got it. Cool. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Benjamin. In today's video, I will be painting a horse eye like promised in the previous video. I know it's been about a week since I posted a video. A lot of stuff has been happening, so sorry for taking a very long break. I'm not sure I'm gonna take a long break like this again. Today's video is gonna be all about drawing a horse eyes. Grab a chip, just sit back and relax, or you could get a paper and get your art tools and also draw along, paint along with the painting. If you by chance happen to follow the tutorial, screenshot your finished drawing and send it to me on Instagram. You don't really have to tag me, just if you post it you can tag me, but if you don't feel like posting it, just take a screenshot, or no, not a screenshot, take a shot of it with your phone camera or another camera and send it to me on Instagram. I will give you a shout out on my Instagram page. If you don't know my Instagram page, here is my Instagram page. It's gonna pop up on the screen. Okay, so you could check that out. Hello, voiceover Ben here. Welcome to another video. Do you prefer I do longer intros or really short ones because you're here for the content and not my face? Just let me know in the comment section below. The colors I used for these were ivory black, titanium white, burnt umber, burnt sienna, and the other colors were just in case I needed them, which I really didn't need them. I put them in little quantities because acrylic paints dry up really fast and I don't want to waste a lot of my paint, you know. Like I said in the previous video, I try to put down the dark shadows first so I could get the real values, but it's really important to do that for drawing a horse eye. This is because it helps you get the depths of the lights and shadows in the eye of the horse, which makes it look more realistic. I spent a lot of time in this portion of the eye, like in this step, because it's really important to get the definition down. It's like a solid base for the whole process. Like if you mess this up, it's gonna be a lot harder for you to get the realism right. So just take your time in this step and just really get the definition down. The next step is to paint the brown on the eye, like you will notice in the reference. A useful tip for this is to build up the layers slowly. This is because when you build up the layers slowly, you could actually go back and make it darker and build up the contrast between the colors. This also helps with the realism. So you have to pay attention to the contrast and pay attention to the colors and pay attention to the gradient. This all comes together and makes it look really realistic. Final step is to add the details to the eye. Use your reference as a guide. You mustn't follow every single detail in the reference. Just add subtle details like the highlights in the eye and the lashes, and just build it up from there. Now it's even closer. Wait, I'll adjust a little bit. Okay. I finally hung something up on my wall. How about that? Cool, right? Tell me other things you like me to hang up on my wall. Now, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you really enjoyed it. And let me know what you think in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on my next video. See you in the next one. Peace. I don't even know. How do I end my videos?